Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair the boAt 180 portable Bluetooth wireless speaker with your smartphone so you can listen to music on it. Now this is a 5 watt, the speaker has a 5 watt output and it's very compact. As you can see, it's IPX7 water resistant, and at the bottom you can see there's an aux port, and it does come with a combined aux with an aux cable also, so you can plug in other devices. The USB charging port is also there, as is the reset button. I'm just going to close that up, but what you do need to note is on the side of it over here are the controls. Now it's a little hard to miss this, as they are sort of very well sort of hidden in with the design of the speaker itself. It's very minimal, and there's a play, pause, there's a volume minus, a volume plus. So that's the power button right there. That's the volume up, the volume minus, and the play and the pause button. So I'm going to go ahead and press the power button because we're going to pair it. And as you can see,
your device is ready to pair.
It says power on, you plugged into Nirvana, your device is ready to pair, and this light starts to blink. Now this means it's gone into pairing mode. So what you need to do now is on your smartphone, you need to make sure that your Bluetooth settings are on. You need to go into your Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and pair new device. Now it's going to start to search, and immediately it shows up Stone 180. So this shows up as Stone, S-T-O-N-E 180. We'll go ahead and click that. Pair.
You're now connected to boAt Stone.
Alright, it says you're now connected. It's showing over here that it's active and it has 70% of battery. So I'm now connected and I can play music on this. So if I were to say go to YouTube Music and just play anything, so there you go, and it's playing. Let me increase the volume. So it's full output now. Let's see what it sounds like. So that's you can skip tracks. So there you are, folks. So there you have it, folks. That was how you set up and how you pair the boAt 180 portable Bluetooth wireless speakers with your smartphone. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.